May I have your lordship's leave to commence the proceeding?
Yes.
May I have your lordship's leave to read out the notification issued by the Joint Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice,
Yes.
Department of Justice, New Delhi. Number K 13015/04/2023 Roman 2, Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointments Division, Jaisalmer House 26, Mansingh Road, New Delhi 110011, dated 12th February 2025. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Smt.Chaitali Chatterjee Das to be an additional judge of the Calcutta High Court for a period of 2 years, with effect from the date she assumes charge of her office. Jagannath Srinivasan, Joint Secretary to the Government of India. May I have your lordship's leave to read out the authorization made by the Honorable Governor of West Bengal in favor of the Honorable the Chief Justice?
Yes.
Governor of West Bengal, order. By virtue of power vested in me by Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Dr. C.V. Anand Bose, Governor of West Bengal, do hereby appoint Sri T.S. Shivaganam, Honorable Chief Justice, Calcutta High Court, or any other senior most honorable judge of Calcutta High Court, before whom Smt.Chaitali Chatterjee Das shall make and subscribe an oath of affirmation according to form set out in the Schedule 3 of the Constitution of India before she enters upon her office of the additional judge in the Calcutta High Court. Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose. May I have your lordship's leave to read out the warrant of appointment issued by Her Excellency the President of India?
Yes.
By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Smt. Chaitali Chatterjee Das to be an additional judge of the Calcutta High Court for a period of 2 years, with effect from the date she assumes charge of her office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 12th day of February in the year 2025, 23rd Magha, 1946 Shaka, in the 17th year of the Republic of India, President of India. May I now humbly request the Honorable the Chief Justice to administer oath of office to Smt. Chaitali Chatterjee Das as additional judge of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta.
I,
Chaitali Chatterjee Das,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully,
that I will duly and faithfully,
and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection
the-
or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection, or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Okay. 14. I have to present. Best wishes, sir.
May I request the learned Additional Solicitor General to deliver a speech?
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, Honorable Justice Chaitali Chatterjee, the Deputy Solicitor Generals, the respective members and secretaries of the respective Bar Association, the learned members of registry, the respected members of the family of Justice Chatterjee, and all present. Firstly, on behalf of Government of India and the lawyers of the Ministry of Law and Justice, I wish to welcome and congratulate Honorable Justice Chatterjee for being elevated as a judge of this parent institute and High Court. My Lord, I want to give thanks to Honorable Justice Chatterjee for breaking the stalemate and impasse of appointment of judges in Calcutta High Court. I may recall my association with my Lord Justice Chatterjee in Bar Association room number 2 for a long time since when Justice Chatterjee joined the bar. We had the privilege to see your Lordship, your diligence, sincerity, and your Lordship is to work throughout the day. We are aware of your Lordship's career in the higher judicial service, and also we are aware and glad to see your Lordship performing the duty of the Learned Registrar General. But I must say one thing today, that we used to sit in a table in Bar Association room number 2, which this table has offered and has given 7 honorable judges to this court and 7 senior gowns. Therefore, this table has some remarkable achievement in the history of Calcutta High Court. My Lord, the other thing, what can I do today? Its period is very short. I can wish your Lordship a success, and I believe that your Lordship will hold the integrity and the status of this Calcutta High Court. I wish your Lordship best of luck. Thank you.
May I request the Secretary, Bar Library Club, to deliver a speech?
My Lord the Chief Justice, my Lords, my Lord Justice Chatterjee, who has just been sworn in, the learned Additional Solicitor General, the President and Secretaries of the Bar Association and the Incorporated Law Society, the members of the registry, the family members of Justice Chatterjee, members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. My Lord, our High Court has often faced the crisis of lack of judges, and we have quite become used to that. And in the usual course of business, when occasions like this comes, it's a big relief. It's a big relief for all members of the bar, because at least we are having one honorable judge more. We often pester your lordships for including matters in the list, and which is heavily burdened. And one addition today is not only a welcome relief, but also would perhaps show the light for things to come in future. My Lord, on behalf of the Bar Library Club, we extend our heartiest congratulations to your lordships for this elevation. Most of us have seen your lordship while in the bar, and thereafter when lordship joined the judicial services, and we have followed my lord's path right up to this elevation. And I extend the congratulations on behalf of each member of the Bar Library Club, and assure your lordships that the Bar Library Club and its members would extend all possible cooperation in my lord's journey in dispensing justice in this honorable court. My Lord, we welcome your lordships to this honorable court, and we hope that our association between the bar and the bench would be a fruitful and a pleasant one.
May I request the Secretary, Bar Association to deliver a speech.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, my ladyships, my lords, learned Additional Solicitor General, learned Deputy Solicitor General, designated seniors present here, and the family members of Justice Chaitali Chatterjee. All my esteemed members of the Bar Association, and I for myself have been associated with Justice Chatterjee since the time her ladyship had donned the chair of the Learned Registrar General of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta. Her amenable gesture towards the members of our association as the Registrar General have been an epitome of examples for the generations to come, and especially towards yours truly being the secretary when it came to any need of the hour that meant for the members of my association. I also take this opportunity to express my gratitude to the Collegium both at the Honorable Supreme Court as well as our Honorable High Court, and also the legislatures of both the state and central for appreciating the concern that I had expressed in this respect of increasing the vacancy strength of our court. The present population of the state through my letter dated 24th of January 25, addressed to the Chief Justice of India and Ministry of Law and Justice, Union of India. And the appointment of Justice Chatterjee is just a droplet of water to quench the thirst, with a hope for more such appointments to follow, so that the vacancy of honorable judges of this court is filled up. We hope and believe that your ladyship's stint as the honorable judge of this august institution would be cherished by one and all. We, the members of the Bar Association, pledge to render all possible assistance to your ladyship for dispensation of justice. On behalf of the 14,000 members of Bar Association and for myself, I congratulate and welcome your ladyship to adorn the chair of the judge of this honorable court. Thank you.
May I request the Vice President of the Incorporated Law Society to deliver a speech.
My Lord the Chief Justice, my lords, my Lord Justice Chatterjee, the members of the registry, the learned Additional Solicitor General, the learned Deputy Solicitor General, the post holders of the three wings of the bar, and my friends and colleagues who are present, the family of Justice Chatterjee. It is my proud privilege to welcome you as a judge of this honorable court. I represent a library, incorporated law society, which the members whereof are really proud to have you as a judge of this honorable court. You have been a part and parcel of this institution since 1993, when you were enrolled and started your practice in this honorable court, as well as in the City Civil Court at Calcutta. As a judicial officer since 2009, you held various important positions. Lastly, you became the Registrar General of this honorable court, which position you successfully held till your elevation. Your elevation as a judge has come at a point when our High Court is passing through a crisis with shortage of judges and extreme pressure of work, where every learned judge has to cope with more than one determination. You will be no exception. Despite this adverse situation, I am told that our High Court disposal rate is amongst the first 3 high courts in India. This speaks about the standard that you have to achieve as a performing judge. Your vast experience as a practicing lawyer, as a judicial officer, and administrative experience while working in the districts and as a Registrar General of this honorable court will definitely give you an advantage to perform as a judge.
At the same time, the experience will also help you to tackle difficult situations with practical solution, which is necessary in the present day judicial system to reduce the number of cases. Your journey towards elevation has been eventful, but now with the blessings of the Almighty, since you hold the constitutional post, your primary object should be to help the litigants to get justice, keeping in mind the oath that you took today. On behalf of the members of the ILS, I once again welcome you as a judge of this honorable court. Wish you good health and successful tenure, my lords.
May I now most humbly request the Honorable Justice Chaitali Chatterjee Das to address the House.
The most respected, the Honorable Chief Justice, respective honorable judges who are present here today, physically and joined virtually, the learned Additional Solicitor General, the learned Deputy Solicitor General, the learned Advocate General, the President and Secretaries of the three wings of the bar, and the learned members of the three wings of the bar, learned Registrar General and other learned registrars, my colleague judicial officers, the learned members of the bar of the district judiciary, and the officers and employees of this Honorable High Court and the district courts, my esteemed brother and sister judicial officers, my friends, some of whom are present here today, the media person, my uncle and aunt, my sister, sister-in-law, my husband, and my daughter, all those who have joined virtually, a very good morning to all of you. At the outset, I must say I'm overwhelmed with the kind words spoken about me, and I consider to be blessed to be a part of this momentous occasion. I would like to thank my revered brother and sister judges who continuously guided me as and when I approach them, and I look forward for their assistance in near future. Today, I stand before you humbled and honored to serve this prestigious institution after an arduous as well as fascinating journey for a period of 30 years. The milestone would not have been possible without the blessings and good wishes of my parents-in-law, my seniors, and the numerous individuals who have had the opportunity to work with, and the rock-solid support of my loving daughter and my husband. When I joined in this profession in the year 1993, in my wildest dream, I never thought that one day I will serve this prestigious institution from the bench, which boasts a profound legacy. The learned senior advocates with whom I got the opportunity to work with not only taught me the skills of the advocacy, but also helped me a great in shaping my career. The entire journey helped me to enrich myself, not only as an advocate, but also to serve the district judiciary as a judicial officer. Throughout my journey, I have been fortunate to learn from the best, and I'm deeply grateful for the experience and knowledge gained. My experience in the judicial service is truly impressive, and I had the opportunity to work as district judge in some of the prominent districts in West Bengal, like Murshidabad, Hooghly, 24 Parganas South, and my last term as the Registrar General of this prestigious Honorable High Court at Calcutta. I would like to convey my deepest gratitude to all the judicial officers who assisted me wholeheartedly in discharging my role as administrator in the district. I considered to be fortunate to work with the honorable judges from different parts of this country, and the entire experience has only helped me to enrich myself. I convey my sincere regard to our Honorable Chief Justice and the honorable members of the Collegium to reposing a faith in me. I further consider myself to be fortunate to work under respected Honorable Chief Justice, whose continuous guidance and support has helped me to perform smoothly and effectively, and it will always remain a treasure of inspiration. I would like to take this moment to pay my heartfelt homage to my deceased parents and parents-in-law, and though they no longer with me, I am comforted knowing that their love and blessings will continue to guide me. I also wish to express my deepest gratitude to my senior, Mr. Prafulla Kumar Roy, and my mentor and the very revered senior advocate of this Honorable High Court, Mr. S.P. Rao Chaudhary, for their guidance, which helped me immensely in shaping my career. And I'm confident wherever they are, I will continue to have their blessings, and I would like to pay homage to them. I would like to take this moment to say thanks to all the district court employees and the officers and employees of the High Court at Calcutta for their unwavering support. Without it, would not have been possible to run the district or the High Court administration without any hindrances. On a personal note, I extend my sincere gratitude to my husband and loving daughter, whose unwavering support has been instrumental in my journey. Their selflessness, encouragement, and love have enabled me to achieve this today. Thank you for always being there with me. I would also like to thank my sister, who is also a national award winner, for being constant source of my energy. I express my heartiest thanks to my uncle and aunt and the brother who, despite their illness, have come today to be a part of this momentous occasion and are present in court. Hard struggles, insecurities, sacrificing family life, professional hazards were very much a part of this journey. But I believe that this has helped me to develop my level of confidence in me. Last but not the least, I must convey my heartfelt thanks to the learned members of the registry of this High Court for their continuous support, which played a crucial role in discharging my day-to-day function as Registrar General of this High Court. I firmly believe that a spontaneous assistance from the bar would definitely help me in reaching out the litigants who has come before this court for speedy and effective remedies. I pledged to continue serving this honorable institution with dedication, integrity, and commitment, upholding the values and tradition that have made it a beacon of excellence. I would conclude my speech with a quote of Swami Vivekananda. Every work has got to pass through hundreds of difficulties before succeeding. Those that persevere will see the light sooner or later. Thank you all. Thank you.
May I have the leave of your lordship to declare the proceedings as concluded?
Yes.
The proceedings are hereby declared as concluded.